Hello everyone. So welcome to the channel of RD Automation Learning. So in this video, I'll be updating you with few more corporate updates, the IT job updates in the recent days. And I would also be sharing with you one of the experience that one of my subscriber got in their own company. But before that, I would request you to please like, share and subscribe our channel because in our channel, we are posting mock interviews related to software testing. We have started a new playlist related to manual testing, software testing fundamentals. Apart from that, we are also bringing out success stories to you about the people who have got selected in the companies in the year of 2024. And recently, we have also launched our profile on TopMate. So let me just share my screen. So as you can see, there is more than 3,200 bookings have been done on TopMate. And this is with respect to various things. So you can see the digital products that are available. Those are available at a very nominal cost. You can see roles and responsibilities of an automation tester, frequently asked questions, digital products, then ATS friendly resume template if you would like to have, Capgemini testing interview questions, and a lot more. So what I would do is I'll be putting this link in the comment section of the video. Also, if you're looking for one-to-one calls like mentorships, career guidance, then we can connect. So recently I connected with one of my subscriber who was working in an IT company, and she was about to go on a maternity leave. Now, as many of you would be knowing, in IT companies, the maternity leaves are ranging from 5 months, 6 months, 4 months, right? So such is the kind of an environment that is given to the women, right? Because it becomes very important that they need to take care. And recently now, if you'll see in IT companies, it has started that the employees are being forced to come to the office, or else they have been sent an email that else you can resign or you would be get laid off. So such kind of things in an IT company are happening. So what happened is, let me explain you the scenario with her. So she was about to take 6 months of maternity leave, and her manager, who herself was a woman, all right, what she did is she told her that you cannot do work from home. It's mandatory work from office. Then she also approached HR, and the HR told whatever is the final decision from your manager, that would be the final things. So she did not had any other option but to have a conversation with her manager itself. So in an IT companies, if you'll see, your reporting manager is very important. They will help you to grow or they will demotivate you. So it becomes very important that whichever teams, whichever projects you are joining, please ensure you have a good reputation, you have a good manager who is there to support you. Now, what happened is, her manager, she told that either you can do work from office, right? So she told her either you can do work from office, which is 8 to 9 hours, right? Or else if you want, you can do work from home, but you need to work for 12 hours. So such was a statement that was given by her manager, right? So when she was sharing these things on TopMate, so on TopMate, as I told you, people are connecting with me for one-to-one calls, and she was literally not feeling well. She was emotionally also drained down because just imagine the situation of an employee who is already expecting, the doctors would be recommending you to take care because this journey is very important. It needs proper care and attention behind all these kind of things. But she was told to work from home, to do work from home up to 12 hours. So she was also confused. Why are they asking such kind of things? And then later on, she decided to move on. Earlier, actually, 1.5 years back, she had got offers from three companies: Wells Fargo, IBM, and OpenText. But recently, looking at this experience, she was very feeling demotivated. She also created the framework. She also helped their team members with the automation work, with the testing work, whatever they had to do. But every time her manager was telling that she'll be put in the PIP. So such kind of thing happened with her. And then what happened is she resigned, right? So such kind of things are happening in the corporate world. Not all the managers, not all the companies are doing such kind of things, but in few of the companies and few of the places, when you are seeing that there is a cost cutting going on, because they know that this person is going to take maternity leave, so 6 months of salary would be given to her, but it's something that she won't be able to work, right? So such kind of things are happening, and then she resigned, and immediately in the company where there's a 3 months of notice period, she was told she was relieved within 1 week itself, right? So such kind of things are happening, and now I'm not trying to scare you. I'm not trying to underestimate the IT companies and the growth, but my point of creating this video is to make you strong mentally, to make you strong practically, to make you understand how are the things going on in the corporate world. If you are thinking that in the corporate world you would be earning 2x, 3x kind of salaries, it's not true. You have to work hard a lot, and there are some times when you have to have a good reputation with your managers as well. So many a times, what happens is when you are trying to join some company, in the interviews itself, at times, if you can clarify, see, I'm going for a family planning, or I'm having marriage, so after 5 months I might be taking a kind of a leave of 2 weeks. So such kind of things, if you mention upfront, so it makes your as well as your manager's life very easier, because as a manager they also have to deal with a lot of things. That doesn't mean that they'll make you work for 12 to 13 hours, but at the same time, it becomes your responsibility to be transparent with them. So this is what had happened in one of the IT company recently with one of my subscriber, and she shared this experience on TopMate with me. Not only this, but I came to know about one more subscriber, one more person whose father's health was not good, right? So he communicated with his manager. His manager came to know that his work is getting impacted. So what they did is they gave him a temporary work from home kind of an option, so that he can take care of his father. Because see, definitely if the parents are not doing well, so definitely you will have some medical responsibilities. Maybe at times you have to get some medicines, attend your father, uh, help them out in whatever you can. So those kind of things are automatically coming as a responsibility. So it is very important that you convey these things to your manager, and there are managers who are there to support you. They gave him the work from home temporary, and that's a different thing that uh, his father passed away, and then he rejoined the same company. I mean, he went to the same company, started doing work from office, right? So such kind of things are happening in the corporate world. So it becomes utmost important that you have to keep yourself and keep your manager updated. Let's see, after 2.5 months I might be going for a big leave. I'm just trying to inform you in advance so that you are aware of such kind of situation, and accordingly you can plan your work and the team's work, because managers are the one who would be responsible for the team. Even if they are successful, they would be responsible for the team even if they are getting failed anywhere. So such kind of things would be there, right? So this was a short video that I tried creating so that I can explain to you what are the different things that are happening in the corporate world. And very important thing, if you are on a bench, if you are not working on any kind of a project, if you are someone who is not getting billed, then it is your responsibility to have a word with your HR. It is your responsibility to have a word with the recruitment team and ask them if you can fill up few of the gaps that are there in your companies in which they are still hiring. So rather than hiring, they can have some internal switch with your help. So be open to talk to your managers, be open to speak to them. It becomes very important that you have a clear cut, crystal clear communication with the reporting managers, with the hiring managers, and then only you take the further decisions, right? So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. And if you're looking for any kind of calls, career guidance, mentorship, resume review, digital products such as ATS friendly resume, or interview questions and answers that are asked to few of my subscribers in this particular year 2024, since January, you can get all those things on TopMate at a very nominal cost. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching this video, and stay tuned for more updates.